this? Have you got a garden?
Mini dachshund Mabel has lived in an apartment her entire life. Elevator rides and short walks were her only taste of the outdoors. But her bestie Liberty has a surprise in store. A new home with her very first backyard.
What's this? Have you got a garden? Come on, babes. This is your garden. Come on. Come on.
She loved her new yard so much that she even got the zoomies. And Liberty told us her pup is even more full of life since the move. So, Mabel must truly dig her new backyard after all.